Check out this remarkable view of our Milky Way galaxy. How are we getting pictures from outside our galaxy when we're stuck inside it? Well, that's thanks to the power of ESA's Gaia space telescope. In a mission that lasted twice as long as expected, Gaia observed the universe from 2014 until March of this year. During that time, it measured the precise positions and velocities of about 1% of the stars in our galaxy, and it measured most of them over 70 times. 1% may not sound like much, but that's almost 2 billion stars in our galaxy accurately mapped, and for 1.5 billion of those, we also know their motion through the Milky Way. Gaia measured a huge amount of other objects too, but for now, let's just focus on the stars in our galaxy. So what's the big deal with all these measurements? Well, it allows us to build up a three-dimensional picture of our galaxy, and what it shows us is incredibly interesting. It appears that the Milky Way has a giant wave rippling out from its center. In this image, you can see how the left side of the galaxy ripples up a bit, indicated in the red colors, and the right side of the galaxy ripples down a bit. This wave affects stars out to at least 2/3 the diameter of the galactic disk. To help visualize this even better, check out this image where the bulk motion of the stars are indicated by the white arrows. You can clearly see the peaks and troughs of a wave moving through the disk of the Milky Way. This wave is moving or propagating very slowly compared to, say, a wave propagating through the fans at a sports stadium, but it's the same general idea. The result is kind of mind-blowing, and astronomers used young giant stars and Cepheid variable stars observed by Gaia to trace the movements of the galaxy. They also suspect that not just the stars, but the gas and dust in the galaxy might also be moving along with the wave. As far as the cause of this wave, that's a harder question. It's possible that a long ago interaction with a dwarf galaxy triggered it, but more research is needed. This cool result was published in the journal Astronomy and Astrophysics back in July. That's today's video. Don't forget to drop a like. I will catch you in the next one.